Right, okay, so it's my wedding anniversary this weekend, tomorrow to be precise. I wanted to come up with a really good idea to go out and treat something nice to my wife and do something special to just the two of us. So what I decided to do was do one of these drive-in cinema things. You know, where you drive your car in, just like what the Americans probably do, isn't it? Where they go to a drive-in cinema and take the car in there. And then I found a place in Blenheim Palace that do it. Well, they do it all over the place, but Blenheim Palace have got a drive-in cinema tomorrow night, and they do this thing where you can hire a pickup truck, a Mitsubishi pickup truck, and they turn the pickup truck the other way round. So you sit in the back of the pickup with like throws, cushions and blankets, all that sort of thing, and watch a movie with popcorn, etc, etc. But then they're all sold out. So I'm thinking, what now then? Do I go in my X3? Do I go in the wife's Aston Martin? But then I thought, my mate's got a pickup, hasn't he? So I called my mate and I said, can I borrow your pickup? And he goes, well, I've just had the whole hardtop permanently fixed to it. He goes, but if you want, you can borrow my Ferrari. So I've got a Ferrari for the weekend. Isn't it fantastic? And it's only cost me £31. So I'm sorry that the thumbnail's a bit misleading. When I say £31, obviously I've got to put fuel in this baby, but to insure it for 3 days was a total of £6 plus a £25 admin fee. So isn't it great? Like we don't want to get older, but the older you get and the more no claims you get. So I'll be 45 next week, and it only cost me £6 to insure a Ferrari F430. Take a look at it.
Hold you till the night is all gone, and baby, I just wanna stay strong. I wanna hold you till the night is all gone. It's been so long since I've held you. I keep on chasing your affection. You said I'm lost inside my head.
Right, so now we're in the car. Like I say, it's a black Ferrari. So when you've got a black Ferrari, what you've got to do is make sure that the missus wears a red dress. You're looking mighty fine, honey.
Hello.
You're wearing your red dress to make up the colour. I
am, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
It's very hot though. I do need you to put some air on.
Let's take this for a spin. So here we are in a Ferrari with the roof up because it's raining at Blenheim Palace, and there's a little bit of concern here because if I scan the camera outside, look, it's all grass. It's all grass, and I'm guessing we're going to be parked on grass. Hello, honey. You all right?
Hello.
I can see you. I'm guessing we're going to be parked on grass, so
We might get stuck.
we might get stuck.
And then I'll drive the Ferrari and you can push.
Yeah, she'll drive the Ferrari and I'll push.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm getting used to this car now. I'm actually really liking it. The only thing is, people are very different, aren't they?
They are a bit.
Yeah, you can't say that.
Sorry.
Yeah, they are. But both of us have had really nice cars. I've had an Aston Martin back in 2008. Roberta's on a second Aston Martin now. Never had any issues with the Astons at all. If anything, you get admiring glances.
People are really careful with them, actually. They're really respectful. Yeah.
We've both had Porsches. On our own before we met each other, and also together as a couple. We've had our own Porsches.
You get raced in the Porsches. Yeah, but you don't have. In fact, my Porsche did get dented a lot with people's car doors because they were just evil. So
but there's no like massive big step change in the way how people treat you. In this, everyone thinks you're a.
See. They really do.
I'll bleep that out. It's absolutely horrible. I had a guy on a non-road legal motorised scooter thing earlier, and there's a bit of confusion who's going to let who go. He shouldn't even be on the road. So I stopped. I said, you go. He stopped. He said, no, you go. And so I started moving forward, and he started moving forward. And the way he shouts at me, I can't believe it. It's like people treat you very differently in here. So I've had a chat with my mate about this, and he says it's the difference between the haves and the have-nots.
That's so bad.
Yeah. And honestly, I don't have this. So I'm borrowing this. I don't think I'd buy it. No, I know I wouldn't. If we had the money, I wouldn't buy this. I really am enjoying driving it.
No.
I do like it. All the different race modes, sport mode, and stuff. It sounds amazing.
It's lovely. It's a lovely car, but it hasn't got the Aston's really plush inside in comparison.
Yeah, these seats are more comfortable than your car.
No, they're not.
Oh, they are. They're nice and comfortable, and I've got more leg room. Taller people can drive an F430, no problem. Traffic's going. Okay, and inside the gourmet box we have marshmallows.
Out of fair press. I like green and black chocolate. Salted caramel popcorn. Sherbet lemons. Shortbread. Lemon butter shortbread. Woo!
So, we're still here, waiting for the movie to start. So, whilst we're waiting, those of you who are watching this who probably haven't even been to England, would you like to see one of the Queen's homes? So we're sitting here, literally at the foot of Blenheim Palace. The only thing is, there's a couple of Mitsubishi pickups which are in the way, and unfortunately I haven't got a zoom lens, so I've got a fixed lens, so I can't show you. But if you look just there, they're the Mitsubishi pickups that are for sale, I guess. They're sponsoring the event, and then just there, can you see just there? That's the right hand side of Blenheim Palace. Still, I think we're just waiting for the night sky to get a little bit darker.
I'm waiting. It's always waiting. Go away.
Do you know it? So it's 5 years today when we got married in front of all of our friends. But literally a year before that, to the date, still today's date, 6 years ago, we got married on the quiet.
Yes. With just my sister, Donald Quack Quack.
Yeah, we didn't tell anyone.
Not so.
Because we wanted this very special wedding, so we had it in like a really nice stately home.
I think hot dogs are here.
Oh, hot dogs are here.
No, maybe not.
No, hot dogs are not here. Yeah, so we did the whole legal bit 1 year beforehand, rather than a week or two beforehand. We did it a whole year and didn't tell anyone. So we were husband and wife for a year and nobody knew. Pretty cool, eh? Anyway, we're waiting for our hot dogs to arrive, and then we can start enjoying the movie. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Oh, getting offered to go in the hot tub later. Hello.
Hello.
The drive-in cinema was pretty cool last night. We got back at like 12:30 at night, so yeah, it's cool. So Sunday now, another day in the Ferrari. and we've come out for a spot of lunch at a place called Darlington's. What's the place called?
Heart of the Shires Village.
Heart of the Shires.
Shopping Village.
Shopping Village. Heart of the Shires Shopping Village. Just down the road from where we live. Who wants to see Roberta crash a Ferrari? Click on the link down below and that'll take you straight through to the video of her crashing my mate's Ferrari. Okay, we're now going to enjoy our coffee, her latte. Gotta check out these baguettes.
Immense, aren't they?
Okay, so we're going to let the Roberta drive the Ferrari.
You're going to put these down by you?
Yeah, so dirty. Oh, there's a Harley. So look at a nice Harley. Ooh. Don't know which Harley it is. Not really into Harley. It's a 114 Heritage. Ooh, very good. Very good. Huh? I can see the bike, don't worry.
I don't know how he's going to get his door open without hitting that bike, can he? Put the camera on the bike.
No. She's scared. So, click on the link down below if you want to see Roberta crash this Ferrari.
How'd you put it in drive?
She asked me, how do you put it in drive? Right, so you've got the handbrake off.
Yeah.
To go into drive, just pull the right hand paddle.
Yeah.
Yeah, put on the brake, yeah.
I want it in auto mode though.
Okay, press auto.
Yeah.
You see auto come up on there?
Yeah.
On the dash, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so now just pull that lever on the right. So go into first, and now you can just drive.
She's scared.
She says she's scared. Does it suit you?
Yeah.
You look like you're sat right forward, like you're going to headbutt the windscreen.
No, I don't need to be.
Here we go. Oh, she's chickening out already on the gear change. Short shifting. Yeah, still short shifting.
You mean?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Oh, you're driving an auto, aren't you?
Yeah.
Short shifting means you're...
I'm driving it like I drive the Aston.
Yeah, so you're taking up to about 5,000 revs and then it's changing.
Yeah.
If you don't short shift, you'll take the rev right up to 8,000, 9,000 revs.
Oh, this is fun! Oh, I like it! Oh my goodness, I like it!
She likes it.
Woo! I like it a lot! Oh yeah! I get it. Okay, I get it completely.
Okay, so you go down to fourth gear, for instance.
I don't really like using paddles though.
It's really good. Just pop into fourth, fifth, fourth. There we go. Alright, so you're doing just over 3,000 revs. Hear that?
Do I have to press the button to put it back into auto?
No, it'll change all by itself.
Oh, okay.
Once you put it down, just downshift. It sounds so much better.
Yeah, but there's cars in the way.
I know, but you can still slow down. You're nothing behind you, is there?
No.
And it's good.
Stop doing that.
Now put your foot down. Up.
Yeah, it's cool. It's really nice. It is really, really nice, I have to say.
It's very wide.
No, it's fine. I suppose I'm not used to the width of this. Have a go when it's the first time I've driven it. Oh my god. It's lovely. Just because you're in a Ferrari doesn't mean that you have to spank it. You can just drive it nicely around the countryside. It feels fast though, doesn't it? Like yesterday when you were chipping around at 70, it felt so fast. And he doesn't mind the fact that I'm driving it.
I can't quite, I didn't say you would be. We're both insured on it.
And let's face it, I drive an Aston, so, you know, I think I'm okay driving a Ferrari. Really? Do you?
No.
Why not?
You own an Aston, what's it you drive on?
Shut your face. My God, don't be so mean. It's pretty damn cool, I have to say.
Hey, it looks like we're going to have to buy a Ferrari then.
Well, maybe we should.
Yeah.
Get rid of the Aston and buy a Ferrari, do you think?
Why not?
Yeah?
You only live once.
Yeah, why not? I quite like the idea of a white one though.
A white Ferrari?
Yeah.
Red leather?
Yeah. Or a gunmetal grey. I like the gunmetal.
Oh, I like.
My love, never gonna leave you alone. Gonna hold you till the night is all gone. And baby, I just wanna stay strong. I wanna hold you till the night is all gone. It's been so long since I've held you.